So guys, this is Prerna Jadwani, your nutrition expert here, and today I'm going to tell you about the most talked about diet, that is the keto diet. The ketogenic diet was originally designed in the 1920s to help patients with epilepsy control their seizures. It's a very high-fat, low-carb diet. Keto is short for the state of ketosis, a metabolic state that occurs when most of the body's energy comes from ketone bodies in the blood rather than from glucose obtained from eating foods with carbohydrates. Ketosis is able to occur only when fat provides most of the body's daily calorie needs, which takes the place of glucose as the preferred source of bodily energy. Keto is a carb-restricted, high-fat, moderate protein approach to macro distribution. Here's how the macros end up looking for most people. Carbs 5%, fats 75%, and protein 20%. The four major benefits of a ketogenic diet are improved weight loss, reduced risk for type 2 diabetes, protection against cancer, protection against heart disease risk factors. Regarding specific foods to include on a ketogenic or very low carb diet, plus those to eliminate, here is an outline of what you might choose to grocery shop for. Eat lots of different vegetables, especially leafy greens, mushrooms, tomatoes, carrots, broccoli, cabbage, sprouts, spinach, kale, sea veggies, peppers, etc. Healthy food choices that are high in protein but low carb or low carb include meat, eggs, wild caught fish, bacon, chicken, turkey, and raw dairy products such as raw goat cheese. Healthy fats which are also low carb or no carb include olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, nuts, and seeds. Avoid processed and ultra-processed foods high in calories and bankrupt in terms of nutrients. Those made with white flour or wheat flour products. Added table sugar, conventional dairy, bread, and other processed grains like pasta, sweetened snacks like cookies and cakes, most box cereals, sweet drinks, ice creams, and pizzas. While adding more carbs to your meals, choose those that are complex and unprocessed, such as sweet potatoes, ancient grains like oats, quinoa, buckwheat, amaranth, and brown rice, whole fruits, beans, and legumes, and natural sweeteners in small amounts like raw honey. A ketogenic diet can be great for people who are overweight, diabetic, or looking to improve their metabolic health. It may be less suitable for elite athletes or those wishing to add large amounts of muscle or weight. And as such, with any diet, it will only work if you are consistent and stick with it in the long term. बहुत बोल लिया यार मैंने आज. And as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and follow me on all my social media handles. iTheFitDiva. Bye bye.